Hello, in front of me I've got OMODA 9. In this video I'll show you how to set seat massager. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display. Now, go to climate control menu and massage. Here you can select intensity of the massage for driver seat and passenger seat. Next, you can change mode. You can set wave, Catpaw, cross, relief and jump. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.